This is Palau, Hua Hin, Thailand. A little bit of highlight of the waterfall. Entry fee for foreigners is 300 baht and for locals is 100 baht. I guess they realized I was in Thai only this time, cause I spoke more than needed. But oh well, it's definitely worth the price. Love this place. So, this is how you get here. Takes you about 90 minutes from the main city. That's the train station. That's some big statues. 90 minutes cut down and sped up into 15 seconds. Here we are. This is Palau. Lots of butterflies everywhere. Beautiful butterflies, I tell you. That's some signboard in Thai I do not understand. More signboards. Trees. That's the entrance. After the entrance. Some people chilling down there. I don't know what they are up to. But yeah, here we are again. Beautiful place. We're going up, crossing one bridge right about now. So yeah, if you want to get here, it's just a 90-minute ride. You can hire a taxi for about 2,000 baht from the main city of Hua Hin, or you can rent out a bike for about 150 baht a day. This is Palau level 1. It rained right before we got here, and everything is misty and cold, and I love it. I love it. Who doesn't love misty and cold? Maybe there are some people who don't, but I'm definitely not one of them. Okay, here we go into the darkness. This is the trek. Okay, not a trek, a mini hike. Speed ramped, some more stuff in Thai. Level 2 right here, some more boards. Just went through a tree, vine. Oh, right there. Went through the tree vine. Tried to put my GoPro under the water. Underwater. Yeah. Lots of fishes, yeah. And you can't fish here. That's a good thing. You gotta basically jump over these rocks and go down branches and stuff. Big rocks. Hua Hin in Thai means head rock, so makes sense. And yeah, a very serene place. You wanna come here with whoever you wanna come here with. People you love, yes. And anyone, I guess. You definitely come here with hiking boots, cause you might slip in. So yeah, these ropes there, you gotta hold on to them so you can hop over these rocks. And that's what we did. I had my gimbal on before this, but after we had to hold on to ropes, I put my camera basically on my head and captured some more butterflies. Beautiful butterflies, so many actually. Didn't catch all of them. There were lots on the road and many beautiful places to stop by on that 90-minute ride. Slippery, I must say. And going into the slippery roads, holding onto ropes. So yeah, level 1 was pretty easy. The rocks were concreted, I can say. Level 2 was actually hard. And level 3, which I think this one was not that hard. Level 4 after this was again just slippery and walking, not hard at all. And level 5, which starts right about here, was not as hard as 2. So I guess the levels are not put there according to difficulty. They're just levels for the sake of having levels. So don't get disheartened by looking at the hardness of level 2, because many people were going back because they thought level 3, 4 and 5 would be harder than level 2. But yeah, I had been here before, so I kinda knew it was not really hard at all. But this time we underestimated the power of the falls. We came with slippers because the last time it wasn't raining, or it hadn't rained before we got there, and it wasn't so slippery. And yeah, level 5 finishes about 20 meters across this river. We just got to level 5 and went back because it was late and we didn't have hiking lights. So remember to subscribe.